कल्पना चावला बिथाङा स्पेस एबा सानखराङाव आगान हैजेननाय भारतनि गिबि आइजो। बियो स्पेस एबा सानखराङाव गासै खेबनै दावबायहैदोंमोन। बिथांनि गिबि स्पेसआव दावबायनायाथ' गाहामै गाहाम जाफुंना थांदोंमोन, नाथाय नैथि बार जेब्ला स्पेसआव थांनानै बुहुम फारसे आवगायबोगासिनो थायो, अब्ला स्पेसशिपआ हरखाबै अर जोंखांना क्रेश जायो एबा बेरफ्रुयो, जाउनाव कल्पना चावलाजों लोगोसे सा 6 मेम्बार्सफोरनिबो जिउ खहा जायो। नाथाय बै समाव माबादि गेदेर जाब्रबथाय जायामोन जाय स्पेसशिप एबा सानखरां दावबायग्रा जाहाजआ अर जोंखांना बेरफ्रुनो गोनां जाबाय। कल्पना चावलानि जोनोमा 17 मार्च 1962 मायथाइयाव हारियानानि कार्नाल मुंनि मोनसे जायगायाव जादोंमोन। उन्दैनिफ्रायनो गोथौ फोथायथि गोनां कल्पना चावलानि बैसोआ गावनि साब्रै बिदा-बिब'नि गेजेराव बयनिख्रुइबो उन्दैसिनमोन। बियो गावनि गिबि सोलोंथाइखौ टेगर बाल स्कुलनिफ्राय फरायनायखौ आबुं खालामदोंमोन। 1976 मायथाइयाव कल्पनाया पान्जाब इन्जिनियारिं कलेजनिफ्राय एर'नटिकेल इन्जिनियारिंआव बेचेलरनि डिग्रीखौ कमप्लिट खालामदोंमोन। बै समाव एर'नटिकेल इन्जिनियारिं पास खालामग्राया आइजोफोरनि मादाव कल्पना चावलाल'मोन। 1982 मायथाइयाव बिथाङा आमेरिकायाव थाङो आरो बैहाय थांनानै बियो इउनिभार्सिटि अफ टेक्सासनिफ्राय एर'स्पेस इन्जिनियारिंआव मास्टार डिग्री मोननो हादोंमोन आरो बे समावनो बियो जन पियार हारिसनजों लोगो मोनलायो आरो 1983 मायथाइयाव बिथाङा बेजों जुलि जायो। 1988 मायथाइयाव इउनिभार्सिटि अफ कलराड' बल्डारनि एर'स्पेस इन्जिनियारिंआव पिएच डिग्री खालामखांनायनि उनाव बिथाङा नासाजों खामानि मावफानायखौ जागायजेनो। 1991 मायथाइयाव बिथाङा आमेरिकानि सिटिजेनशिप मोनो आरो बिनि उनाव दिसेम्बर 1994 मायथाइयाव बिथांखौ स्पेस एबा सानखरां दावबायारिनि गेजेराव सेलेक्ट खालामनाय जायो। 19 नभेम्बर 1997 आव कलम्बिया स्पेस शटल स्पेसशिपआ आमेरिका केनेडी स्पेस सेन्टारनिफ्राय बिरजेनो, जेराव कल्पना चावलाजों लोगोसे गुबुन सा 6 मेम्बार्सफोरबो दंमोन। बेनो कल्पना चावलानि गिबि खेब एबा फार्स्ट टाइम स्पेस दावबायनायमोन। बे मिशननि मुंखौ STS-87 मुं दोननाय जादोंमोन। बेबादिनो बिसोर बे गिबि खेब दावबायनायाव स्पेसआव 15 दिन थाहैदोंमोन आरो 5 दिसेम्बर 1997 आव बिसोरो गाहामै गाहाम बुहुमाव फैफिनो। बेनि उनाव कल्पना चावला बिथाङा भारतनि गिबिसिन स्पेस एबा सानखरां दावबायग्रा मुं मोनो। आरोबाव 2001 मायथाइयाव नासाया कल्पना चावलानि स्पेसनिफ्राय गाहामै गाहाम जाफुंसारनायखौ लानानै नैथि खेब स्पेसआव दावबायनो थाखाय सेलेक्ट खालामबावो आरो बे मिशननि मुंखौ STS-107 मुं दोननाय जादोंमोन। नाथाय कलम्बिया स्पेस शटल स्पेसशिपनि गोबां बार गाज्रि जाबाय थानायखौ लानानै बे मिशनखौ गासै 18 बार एबा 18 खेब केनसेल एबा पस्टपन खालामनाय जादोंमोन। मास मोननैनि उनाव स्पेसशिपनि गाज्रि जानाय बाहागोफोरखौ बानायखांनायनि उनाव फाइनाली 16 जानुवारि 2003 आव कल्पना चावलाजों लोगोसे गुबुन सा 6 मेम्बार्सफोरा स्पेसशिपजों स्पेसआव थांनायखौ जागायफिनो। नाथाय बिसोरो मोनथियामोनदि बेनो बिथांमोननि जोबथा स्पेस दावबायनाय। जेब्ला स्पेसशिपआ गोजौ फारसे बिरलांबाय थादोंमोन, अब्ला स्पेसशिपनि टेंकनिफ्राय मोनसे थुख्रा गोलैबोना स्पेसशिपनि आगसिनि गाङाव नांफैयो, जाउनाव स्पेसशिपनि गाङा फिसा महरनि बायस्राना गुदुं सोमजियो। नाथाय नासाया बे बाथ्राखौ मिथिनानैबो बेनि सायाव बांद्राय गोसो होआखिसै। कल्पना चावलाजों लोगोसे सा 6 एस्ट्र'नॉटफोरा 15 डेज स्पेसआव थाहैदोंमोन। बिनि उनाव 1 फेब्रुआरि 2003 खालार खालि बिसोरो बुहुम फारसे आवगायबोगासिनो थादोंमोन। अब्ला नासाया मोनथिदोंमोन दि स्पेसशिपआ बुहुमसिम सफैफिननाय नंलिया, मानोना जेब्ला स्पेसशिपनि टेंकनिफ्राय फैनाय मोनसे थुख्राया स्पेसशिपनि गाङाव सौग्रावफैदोंमोन, अब्ला मोनथिनानैबो बेनो नासानि जोबोद गिदिर गोरोन्थिमोन। अब्लाबो बे बाथ्राखौ नासाया कल्पना चावलानियाव खौरां हराखिसै, जाहाथे एस्ट्र'नॉट्सफोरनि गोसोआव बे बाथ्राखौ मोनथिनानै गिखांनाय सोमजिया। जेब्ला स्पेसशिपआ बुहुम फारसे फैबाय थादोंमोन, अब्ला हरखाबै स्पेसशिपआव अर जोंखांनायसै आरो दसे समनि उनाव बेरफ्रुना थुख्रा थुख्रा जानायसै। बेबादिनो स्पेस एबा सानखरांखौ मोजां मोनग्रा कल्पना चावलाजों लोगोसे सा 6 मेम्बार्सफोरनि जिउआ बबेबा हाथरखियाव गोमोरहैनायसै। आरो नैबे भिडिअ'आ कल्पना चावलानि स्पेसनिफ्राय लानाय जोबथा भिडिअ'।
Hello Colombia, this is Prime Minister Gujral from India. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Gujral, I hear you loud and clear. How do you read me?
Kalpana, we are proud of you. Each one of us in India is proud of us. Proud of a person like you who has done such a pioneering work. And particularly the women and youth of India take great pride in seeing what you have done in the space. My hearty congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You know, when I think of you, I think what a long journey you have covered from Karnal to space, long distance. And therefore, when I talk to you, I feel I'm talking to a person who is representing India in the space now. My all good wishes to you.
Thank you, sir, very much. Those are very kind words.
You know, Kalpana, I do not know if you remember, there is a saying by one of our poets who is very well known in the subcontinent, Iqbal. He said, "Sitaron se aage jahan aur bhi hain. There are worlds beyond stars, and now you have seen them. How do you feel about them?"
It's a very special feeling, and really out here, the night sky, when you look at it, what you are saying does become very literal. It's a dome of a dark sky and stars everywhere, and the earth, last time covered with thunderstorms here and there, with some small sprays of lightning, and every once in a while city lights the clouds. And it is very much like a storybook. And the crew that I'm working with out here, all of us work so well together, and it's such an honor and privilege to be able to share this very special mission with them.
You know, it's a wonderful feeling that your journey has expanded the frontiers of science and technology. Also, at the same time, you have built another new and very formidable and a strong bridge between India and America.
Sir, I'm very glad that I am, if you say so, I'm able to do that.
And in orbit, Kalpana, how do you feel without weightlessness? Is it very difficult experience?
As you can tell, right now we are doing a burn, and things are just moving all over. I was just moving things out of my way with my legs. Actually, it's not very difficult at all. You get very used to it very fast. To go from one place to another, you always end up telling yourself, take it easy, don't try to do very fast, because otherwise you are just tumbling all over. So gently is the way to go.
It must be very interesting to sit with colleagues and friends in the same weightlessness. It is a very interesting experience and friendship that you have formed now.
That's very true, sir. On our crew, we have people from very different backgrounds, and we bring a lot of different cultures together, and it's just a lot of fun. It was fun while we trained together, and now in space too.
I don't know if from your satellite you can see some other Indian satellites also, which are also in the space, projecting Indian television program to every home.
Yes, sir, I'm aware of that.
Yes, but you know, we are also, our scientists and our technologists are sharing the same experience of space. They have not gone themselves to space like you, but they have sent quite a few satellites.
And yes, sir, yeah, I knew about that when I was going to school back in Karnal, or I should say in Chandigarh in India. And then also after I came here, I've been following that in the news out here.
And I want to extract a promise from you that when you come back to the earth, please come to India with all your friends in the satellite and also your whole family.
Sir, the whole crew would love to come, and that would be an honor.
You will be most welcome guests of the Indian people and the government. They all take so much pride in you and excited about you that when you come and meet them, they'll be extremely delighted, and you must come.
So yes, we will surely come, and like I said, that's definitely an honor. And if I may just take a second, I'd like to introduce my crew members to you. And first of all, I'm going to bring the pilot on board. His name is Steve Lindsay, and Steve and I trained together in the class that I came in.
Thank you very much, but also kindly convey my invitation to your fellow travelers who are in space with you, the captain and everybody else.
For sure, sir.
Please and tell them that this is a very warm and hearty invitation to all of you.
I will pass that on, sir.
And you know, Kalpana, your family came from Karnal, and it was in that area where a famous poet Kalidas was there, who wrote that famous song about swim of the swan.
Yes, and I know about that, and that's a very special thing.
And you are that swan now swimming in the space.
That does sound good.